All right, for everyone's viewing pleasure, Eric and I have rigged this up. So we've got a 360 camera on the back of his motorcycle where he's going to be going. I can shoot him forwards, it'll shoot me backwards. We've got the GoPro, whatever this thing is, wrist camera holder thing. So
the all new hand mount.
Yeah, right. So for your viewing pleasure, we've set all this up. All right, here we go. Eric and I, we are in Reliance, Tennessee. Just stopped off at this cool little gas station. And now we're cruising on to the beach. And when I say the beach, that's actually the name of the restaurant in Tellico Plains, Tennessee. Look at that. That's really nice, isn't it? Beautiful. Now down there, that used to be Flip Flops Burgers. I think it's going to be a new restaurant they're going to get set up. That's going to be pretty cool. Just taking you guys on a little tour today.